In August of 2013, the world's first lab-grown hamburger was eaten at a press event, sponsored by Google co-founder Sergey Brin. The way scientists came up with the idea for raising cultured meat was through experiments in making lab-grown organs and muscle tissues from stem cells. The way it works is a few cells are sampled from a live animal. These are laid over a mini scaffold that feeds nutrients to the cells as they grow. These organize it into little muscle fibers. Harvest a bunch, and you've got the nugget that could soon rival the buffalo wing. But gross. Why would you even want to do that? 40% of farming is dedicated to feeding the animals that feed us. A recent Oxford study found that eating only cultured meat could reduce the impact on our environment by a whopping 90%. Of course, there are easier steps we should be taking already. High-density grass-fed farms, eating lower on the food chain, and just eating the amount we actually need. Left alone, humans eat their own weight in meat every year. We may need some creative solutions just to keep up with the pure instinct to eat as much of that savory, juicy as we can.
Oh, check out these buttons. Go to DIY to get the backyard farmer skill. Okay, thanks, bye.